this Android app going to do? Well, let's first design it. So we're going to draw it out. This is Inkscape. I like Inkscape a lot. I'm going to use it to I'm going to use this box here as my Android phone. And so what the app I want is it's basically an app that allows me to randomly choose students from a class to ask questions. So the idea is you want everyone in class to participate, but you have a hard time not just choosing the keener or not just giving a hard time to the person not paying attention in the back. You want to even it out across the class. So I want to do this randomly. I basically want an app that gives me a random name. So let's start off. I don't like opening screens, so we're not going to have an opening screen. The idea is you're going to click on the app and then it's going to show the screen. What I think the screen should look like is something like this. Will be like white, and then there's going to be a person's name there. A student, a famous student, 96. All right. So a student's name will pop up, and I want to get, you're wondering, well, that looks pretty small. Well, the reason why is because I want a big button here. What's a good button color? I don't know. Maybe what would be better is if this button made it clear, uh, made it clear that it was like dice or something. So now I can go is basically a storyboard, and I've made it very quickly and works really well. If you want to make it obvious that it's a storyboard, you could do this, and we can just go duplicate that, move it there, duplicate that, there. I guess we don't need this one. Well, actually, we're going to do that. All right. So I'm going to just make them a little bit bigger. Okay, there we go. So that's going to be our storyboard. Just going to move this in the middle there. Okay. So I'm going to save that. Save as storyboard. All right. So it's saved as a storyboard. But what I can do is I can sort of demo it to you. So it's there. It looks really bad. I don't care. I didn't want the frame in there. Okay. And then the other one. So we got new slide. Right. So the idea is if we saw it, we'd be here, a student, I click, right? And boom, I get other student, right? So we got a student, click, other student. And so now I can demo to you what I basically want, right? It's pretty simple in that respect. So there's our storyboard. Looks sort of bad, but it's just a demo. Okay. So the next thing is, how do I get the student names in there? So I want to choose students, right? So this thing has to store student names. So probably want to add and remove individual students. So I think what will happen is we'll take this one and we'll bring it down here. Okay. So what's going to happen is I'm going to go and I'm going to go click on something, like maybe there's a little settings thing. And we're going to fill this with gray. I'm going to put it behind there. And the settings thing obviously has little bubbly circle stuff. Do. Okay, bring that to the forward. Okay, so click that for settings. That's the idea. We're clicking for settings. And what that will do is it will bring up a list of settings. And I think what it's going to show is it's going to show something like add student or edit students. Right? And then there'll probably be like some other options. I have no clue what they are. I don't really care. But there's going to be edit students. Okay. So that's good. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it. Okay. So that's the other storyboard. And then it's going to show me something else. What it's going to show me is basically going to be like a list of students. So I don't want to wreck my Android thing, but here we go. Going to get rid of that. Going to duplicate that one. This looks bad, but the whole point is that I'm just trying to quickly storyboard for you, and I'm just showing you how you can storyboard as well. So we got edit students, and I'll just say a student multiple storyboards, and I'm showing you navigation. I'm still not done yet. There's another feature I want. So this is adding an individual student. What I probably also want is probably want like a delete, and I'll just add long click, right? And then it's going to show me like a pop-up on long click. It's going to say, well, I guess that's too big for the phone now, isn't it? It's going to ask delete a student, and then I'm going to have maybe okay and cancel, and that will be in white text. And maybe it'll be like across there, white line. Shift click white, and then a line across here. Shift click white. I'll select those two lines, simplify them a bunch, and I'll go to stroke, style, and we'll say 5. Okay. So delete a student. Okay. And then the end result will be the student is gone. Or, yeah, the student is gone. Okay. So now I've got this deletion storyboarded. No, I don't like that. Okay. So now I got all these storyboards. There is one thing I want to do, and that is I want a quick version of this. So I want to add another feature. I'm going to add it here. And it's going to be fast import. Okay. And so what fast import is going to do, I'm going to make another storyboard, is once you click on fast import, right? I guess I have to put that in the foreground. Once you click on fast import, it will give you a screen like this, except we're going to have a text area here, and we're going to have a button here, and this button is going to say add. Okay, and is useful because if we approached a customer, right, the customer, we could show them the slide deck. We could even email the slide deck to them if you really wanted to. Let's see, we're going to call this delete student. You could give them the slide deck. Let's go, not to-do list. No, this is student picker prototype. Okay, so for editing a student, you go to settings. Then to delete a student, you long click on a student, you click OK, and then they're gone. And you click return. So that's pretty cool. Now we can add the bulk new. So this is bulk add a student. Okay. New slide. New slide. New slide. New slide. Save. Save. And now let's watch the slideshow. This was slide 13, so I go 13. Bulk add a student. Okay. A student. You go click the settings. Oh, I guess I missed one slide there. You go click the settings. I guess you got to click fast import too. Okay, so we're missing something. Let's go like this. Oh, we also have to add the settings. Okay, so let's do this. Let's grab everything here, move it down a little bit. And let's grab, oh, yeah, you're right. We got to do this too. settings, you see 2 settings, so you click fast import. You go to another app and you copy the text, and then you go back to our app and you paste the text and you click add, and then you'll see that what you added is now imported and you can leave. Okay? So that's pretty handy, and that's a pretty good workflow. The cool thing is that, you can walk through there and you can fake it. You can fake clicking on things. Like you can say, I click here, and then we go here, so forth. So you can talk about this stuff, and you can show a customer. And it's almost working software, which is pretty nice. Okay? So I'll try to share these files with you.